Hello and welcome back to REM and Cats. Look, I finished it. I added more. And I have a whole, there's Sparky. This is dear Sparky at the end of the video. So, thank you. I decided that I should get more into zodiacs. Why? Because I've just been studying them for a lot more now, and I just really like it. New class, new year, new people, me. New class, new year equals new class equals new people equals new zodiac signs. Ba-ba-da-ba. New zodiac sign. Ba-da-ba-ba. And I decided I don't really want to study into that, but I do want to study into more zodiac signs. I've read my whole zodiac sign book, and I'm getting bored of it. So, today we're going to be talking about lies people say about Scorpio. People say lies about, like, Scorpios, like, I kind of have to say Libras are like that. Yeah, Libras are like that, but they're like, I don't like, they say that, they're like, I don't like you. That's, I feel like Sagittarius would act like that. And I just don't get it. I do not get it. And they'll say, my biggest pet peeve is they say, their worst enemies are Sagittarius. No, I've had a lot of friends that are Sagittarius. And you know what? They don't even... I'm trustworthy. A lot of people and a lot of teachers trust me. I just don't get it. I don't get it. So, next, I was a Scorpio. I had to say some stuff. But, they say, Scorpios is my baby, most lovey of all of them. Come on! I just don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't understand. I just don't understand. I've met a lot of Scorpios in my life. I'm one myself. And I don't feel like they hold grudges. That's like what they're known for. Holding grudges. Like, I'll hold grudges every now and then. I don't want to. I want my friends back. People hold grudges. My friend that was Sagittarius, she didn't hold grudges. She'd get mad, and then the next day she'd forget about it. Just be like, she'd get real mad, and then the next day she'd just be like, oh, hi, Emma. She doesn't do that anymore. don't get it. I just don't get it. Let me do an impression of, let's see what they say Scorpios are like. I don't like you. That's what they're like. That's what they say they're like. And oh my gosh. Well, they say Pisces are crybabies. I don't believe that. I've never seen a Pisces cry in my life. I have, but there was a girl in my class, and she didn't speak that much English, but she spoke English. She wasn't like the loudest talker, but I mean, she was a Pisces. But I never saw her cry. Never saw her cry. So, I'm just trying to make a point for all this to stop. And now, I just don't get it. And this is what they say Sagittarius is like, which is totally not. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Let me see if I can get anything fancy. What are you looking at? That's what they say. Sagittarius are like. I'm over with it. So if you're watching this, please don't believe what they're telling you. They just suppose that. Because they do research. And I know that some of it is true. But, trust me. I'm just done with it. I'm going to end the video today. Bye! I hope you like this video of Cats Upon Cats. Cats Upon Cats! Cats Upon Cats! Yeah! Yeah, me. She said bye. Yay. Alright. Hope you love this video. Bye.